social studies, review, table manners, and etiquette. Complete K-12 essentials. Today we are going to discuss manners, and our topic is table manners. Manners are consideration for others at the table. They are a set of unspoken rules that everyone expects you to know. Luckily, we are going to cover them today. By now, you have probably heard a couple of these. When you sit down to eat a family meal, your behavior can impact how enjoyable the meal ultimately is for everyone present. Let us imagine a meal at your house. Mom prepares the meal and sets the table with plates, forks, knives, spoons, napkins, and a cup for a drink. She will usually place the main course on the table prior to calling you to wash your hands before dinner. Washing your hands is not only good manners, it is also good personal hygiene, which means you care about your health. Another word for manners is etiquette. It is how we conduct ourselves in a polite manner while in the presence of others. Never bring your electronics to the table. Keep the television off. Leave your cell phone in another room. Once seated, sit up straight and place your napkin in your lap. Upon receiving the go-ahead to begin, you need to ask politely for what you want. An example would be, "Mom, may I have some gravy with the chicken, please?" And once Mom has granted your request, you show gratitude by saying, "Thank you. Now it's time to begin eating." No elbows on the table, no fingers in the food, and no chewing with your mouth open. Avoid making rude and obnoxious noises, such as lip smacking, as you will embarrass everyone present. From time to time, you may need to burp, so be sure to excuse yourself and burp in the restroom or far enough away from the table that no one can hear you. Do not attempt to speak with food in your mouth. No one wants to see your half-chewed food. Follow these guidelines for behavior, and you will have a pleasant dining experience.